I may have just made a very expensive mistake. For those of you who don't know, I'm kind of into cars, not really a lot, but I've been looking for a project car for a long time. I've been looking at Copart auctions thinking I can find a car that would be in reasonable condition that I can use as a project car. And then I found this. It's a BMW 3 Series. It's from the year 2000 and it has 90,000 miles on it. You know about Copart, you know it's an auction site where you can bid for pretty much anything. The minimum sort of bid is £200. So I put my maximum bid at 300 and I set the increments up to £25. I managed to win the auction at 275, which I think is a pretty good deal for the car that I've got. But we shall see when it arrives in about 20 minutes time. Okay, so we're in the car. It seems like it's pretty good. Let's see if it turns over. Tell you what, it's not too bad on the inside either. It's pretty clean, not horrendous. Still having a bit of trouble with the gear stick, but it does seem to find the gears pretty well. See, there's no sixth. And reverse, just all the way around there. But otherwise, it's pretty good. Just get that reverse all the way over. And there you go, reverse as well. So yeah, I mean, with a bit of a clean and with a bit of a fix to the front, should be pretty alright. So you can see from the state of the car, it needs a lot of work, and I'm yet to make a decision about whether I'm going to keep it long term or whether it's just going to be a project car, or whether I'm just going to flip it after I fixed it. But in terms of actually getting the car in working order, I think it's going to be a fairly straightforward fix. It looks like it just needs a new hood, a new indicator bulb, and possibly just having a look at the engine with a mechanic because some engine lights are on. But other than that, it looks like it's going to be a fairly decent car. And if it's a good project, we'll see. But I'm going to continue to vlog it. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching.